안녕하세요, 마마몽키입니다. 오늘은 제가 집에서 쉽게 할 수 있는 알파벳 활동에 대해서 여러분들에게 소개해 드리도록 하겠습니다. 이 활동은 다양한 동작에 관한 어휘들을 익힐 수 있고요. 그리고 첫 소리가 같은 동물과 그리고 글자를 매칭하는 그런 활동이라고 볼 수 있습니다. 그렇다면 저와 함께 큰 소리로 따라해 볼까요? A is for alligator. Snap, snap, snap like an alligator. B is for bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz like a bee. C is for cat. Stretch, stretch, stretch like a cat. D is for duck. Waddle, waddle, waddle like a duck. E is for elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp like an elephant. F is for fish. Swim, swim, swim like a fish. G is for gorilla. Walk, walk, walk like a gorilla. H is for horse. Gallop, gallop, gallop like a horse. I is for insect. Crawl, crawl, crawl like an insect. J is for jellyfish. Jump, jump, jump like a jellyfish. K is for koala. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle like a koala. L is for lion. Roar, roar, roar like a lion. M is for monkey. Swing, swing, swing like a monkey. N is for newt. Run, run, run like a newt. O is for otter. Splash, splash, splash like an otter. P is for pig. Snort, snort, snort like a pig. Q is for quail. Tweet, 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 tweet. Sing, sing, sing like a quail. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop, hop like a rabbit. S is for snake. Slither, slither, slither like a snake. T is for turkey. Flap, 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 flap like a turkey. U is for unicorn. Shine, shine, shine like a unicorn. V is for vulture. Glide, glide, glide like a vulture. W is for wolf. Oh! Howl, oh! Howl, howl like a wolf. X is for fox. Dance, dance, dance like a fox. Y is for yak. Grunt, grunt, grunt like a yak. Z is for zebra. Trot, trot, trot like a zebra.